rich, by the way. Will.
It will tell you it's rich. And listen to your heart. It will tell you what is right.
갑자기 너 보고 살인범이래.
We watched the vampires, the witches.
Why are you here?
Did you kill her?
What do you think?
Hello and welcome to Cine Select. If you believe you have seen all the bad shows of the year, you should reconsider since there are some truly unique shows in 2025. From strange futuristic universe to dark mysteries, spectacular action and addicting satisfying dramas, these brand new TV series are setting the benchmark for what we watch next. So prepare yourself because these are the shows you should not miss. Now let's get started. Number 10. Down Cemetery Road.
Well, a customer. Let me guess, you've got a husband, he's got a secretary. Am I warm?
The secretary's still a thing.
Sarah, you are in shark-infested waters, and there are no rescue boats.
Wipe your nose. I'll buy you a stiff drink.
It is a thriller series on Apple TV Plus that premiered on October 29, 2025. The story follows Sarah Trafford, who hires private investigator Joe Bow to investigate the disappearance of a small girl following a house explosion in Oxford. As they pull back each layer, they discover an innovative system that indicates those are previously thought to be dead could still be alive. The show strikes a mix between dark mystery and intense emotion thanks to outstanding performances by Thompson and Wilson, evocative direction by Natalie Bailey, and a fascinating but confusing plot adapted from Mick Herron's book. Although its tone fluctuates, it is a modern and appealing. Number 9. Maidstone Hall.
Some dreams are so beautiful that you want to stop time. It's enough to turn them into a nightmare.
Do you feel it too?
Hey, Ruby.
You come from two different worlds.
Stay away from this girl forever.
Do you feel it too?
Season 2 follows Ruby Bell and James Beaufort's tumultuous romance following a catastrophic night in Oxford. This season covers Mona Castan's second book, diving into issues of sorrow, wealth, authority, and a loss of faith in their exclusive private school environment. The first 3 episodes are released all at once, while the remaining episodes are released every week until the November 28th finale. The romance between Ruby and James continues to be a standout, and dramas focus on a more adult and emotionally charged narrative. However, considering the emotional impact of the story, the pacing can be a little erratic and the dramas become excessive. Popular for its love story, intense drama, and class conflicts, the show attracted people all around the world, and with season 3 announced, the stakes will feel higher than ever. Number 8. Telemasca: The Secret Order.
Through that door.
We keep tabs on the supernatural. We watch the vampires.
It is a 2025 supernatural spy thriller series developed by John Lee Hancock. The story centers on Guy Anatole, a psych law student who is enlisted in the corps Telemasca, an organization tasked with keeping an eyes on witches, vampires, and other supernatural creatures. As Guy delves further into the Telemasca's London home, he discovers hidden corruption, sinister intention, and a dark side that endangers both the living and the dead. The series takes Anna Rice's immortal universe in daring, fresh direction with an energetic tone that combines dark magical core, espionage, mystery and ethical complexities. Although there is suspense and world building, the mythology and pacing are impressive. However, the show is bound to appeal to supernatural mystery fans. Number 7. The Manipulated. It is a 2025 thrilling Korean drama about Park Tae-jung, a transport worker who is accused of a horrible crime and sentenced for life. The story develops as Tae-jung sets out on a vicious journey of vengeance and justice after discovering that his tragedy was planned by Ano Han, the CEO of a prominent security organization. Supported by a solid cast, the show combines action, crime thriller elements and emotional drama with elements of greed, treachery and moral uncertainty. Though the premise and performances are strong, the suspense can be too dramatic and takes too long to build. Number 6. The Mighty Nine.
He's a weapon.
You got the wrong people.
We've got time to put on a show.
It is a 2025 adult fantasy animated series created by Critical Role Production. Based on Critical Role's second Dungeons & Dragons story, the plot follows a ragged set of misfits, the Nine, who must band together when an ancient magic gem known as the Beacon slips into the possession of the wrong people, attempting to destabilize the world. The show brings their characters to life in an innovative animated approach and includes the original Critical Role voice cast among others. The story examines repentance, identity, and found family in a vast fantasy world with an aesthetic that blends intense magic, dramatic narration, and sarcasm. The first season comprised 8 episodes, with the first 3 released all at once on November 19, followed by weekly releases. Overall, it is more sophisticated, emotionally nuanced successor to The Legend of Vox Machina with richer world building and character journeys.
I'm gonna roll the dice on you.
Well, all right then.
Don't let me down.
Disappointed.
By what?
The truth.
You're a lot more than people think.
It is a 2025 8-episode intellectual thriller on Netflix and centers around Aggie Wicks, a lonely but talented author who is grieving the passing of her kid until she becomes involved with Niall Jarvis, her intriguing new neighbor with sinister secrets. As Aggie delves more into her dark story and the Frost Jarvis story grow on a dangerous rivalry for a power emerges, showcasing a game of influence, memory and dominance. Howard Gordon devised the show, which uses atmospheric visuals, moral uncertainty and severely flawed individuals to develop suspense. While the performances are generally great, the psychological mystery will put the audience endurance to test. Yet for everyone who enjoys slow-burning thrillers, this is must-see. Number 4. Robin Hood. It is a 2025 live historical action-adventure series that Jonathan English and John Glenn created. The plot revisits the mess in the aftermath of the Norman invasion, following Rob, a Saxon farmer's son who emerged as a rebel bandit, opposing Norman injustice, while Marion, the daughter of a Norman ruler, breaks into the ruling family to improving from within. With a 10-episode season, the show blends political maneuvering, romance, and traditional bravery. Though the overall mood swings more toward dramatic than adventurous, the show's historical boldness, dynamic chemistry, and brutal modernization are its main draws. Number 3. Welcome to Derry. It is a 2025 scary horror prequel series that transports us the year 1960 in Derry, many decades prior to when the Lodgers Club began. The show analyzes the past of Pennywise with Bill Skarsgård back as the menacing clown. The show combines mental anguish, historical paranormal activity, and a mystical paranoia with a stellar ensemble that includes Taylor Page, Giovanna Depo, Chris Chalk, and others, with artistic direction by Andy and Barbara Muschietti. Number 2. Pluribus. It is a 2025 genre-bending sci-fi drama directed by Vince Gilligan. The show centers on Carol Sturka, a very depressed writer who remains one of the few individuals unaffected by an enigmatic worldwide phenomenon that unites the majority of mankind into one family-pleased hive mind. As the planet around her develops into a bizarrely idealistic community, Carol is drawn into a stressful, darkly funny attempt to rescue the planet from happiness, combining aspects of psychological satire, psychological science fiction, and post-apocalyptic thriller. Pluribus explores the pairs of separation, togetherness, and what it's like to be human. Number 1. Last Samurai Standing. It is a 2025 violent action drama that takes place in mid-Japan in the late 19th century. The series follows Sujiri Saga, an old samurai dealing with hardship who goes into the Kodoku, a deadly battle royal in which 292 fighters clash through night fights to obtain each other's wooden tags, with only one survivor winning a life-changing prize of 100 billion yen. The show blends political intrigue, honor desperation, and vicious sword fighting. It's 6 episodes, each lasting between 47 and 58 minutes, feature brutal scenarized action, solid character development, and aesthetics. This is absolutely worth seeing if you enjoy samurai action, warrior games, and big historical dramas. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel to see more videos related to movies and series suggestions. Thank you.